Good afternoon. My name is Avyan Verma, and this is my submission for the Accurate Brains task assessment round. This is the TMS or the task management system that I've built. This is the admin portal at the moment. Let me just show you. User sign in. It will okay. Just a second. It's a route issue. Auth. Let me. I'll just get to the auth slash user slash sign in, and it will work in a minute. So okay, let's just use this for a minute. Maybe prop show here. Just okay. Okay. Let's start from the beginning. I'll start the server, the front end server, and the backend server is working fine. This is the front end server. Okay. Yeah, this is the our user login page. I'll also show you the password for it. This is the postman, and I've created every single route to test my APIs. Now I've logged in, and I can actually see the task that is assigned to me, and I can see that I have this edited task and it's showing here. I can even change the status, but as you can see, I don't have the edit option or the delete option. I can only change the completion option. And as you can see, if we go to our admin dashboard and I try to log in here, once again it will be auth. Okay, if I try to log in here, as we can see here that the task has been completed. There's such a small issue that it's not the higher task is not showing. In a minute, I'll see why is that the issue here. And this is yeah. So okay, I can create a new task here because I'm the admin. I'll enter the details. Now I cannot actually create a date which is a previous past date. I can only create dates, that is, otherwise it will throw me an error here. If I try to create it, it will say fail to create task. Even though if I'll assign it, it will say fail to create task. Now I have to select a date that is ahead of us, let's say 30th, and the priority this time I'll set it to low and assign to the test user. These users are the other one that belongs to this organization. I've created the organization ID here. Try to create here. As you can see, a low priority task has been created here, and the admin cannot change the status, but I can only change the editing and the delete. For I can delete this. I can just delete it here and delete it, and it will prompt me. I can select it and it can be yes, it has been deleted. Now I also have the added the secondary option to add the organizations. I can see the organizations that you can see, and you can see the tasks as well. Now the tasks are same, that's why it's showing the same. uh, and I'll show you my backend here. In my backend I've created every single controller, and I have even organized the directories. uh, as you can see, my backend is working perfectly fine. There are some little small bugs in my front end code here. I'll accept that, but apart from it, everything is working pretty fine. Because if I, let's say, even if I create a new admin, it will prompt me to create an organization. Once I create let me just show you that process. Okay, I'll add here the new details. Now as you can see, no organization found. I can create an organization now. Now as you can see, I've created an organization and everything has been updated here, and we can also see this in our organizations tab. As you can see, another organization has been added, but the members section is still empty here. I can add members here, and I can actually perform the task. Now this task won't work because I haven't had an option to add users to this. This is a little drawback, and I will be implementing it. But otherwise, it's everything is completed here, and a user can actually see. Just one thing that is missing, I have to add this. My mistake. I haven't created this option where I can actually create add users here. So basically, I because of the fact that whenever I'm creating tasks, I'm seeing that every single I didn't thought of it in the previously because I was just more focused on the instructions that were given, and it had shown the only the user that belong to this organizations will be visible here. I can actually happen to have I can have an email ID here, and I can create a background that will actually see if that user exists, and if the user exists, I will assign to this user, and automatically that user will be added to the organization or something like that. I can have another option is I can add user button here that is going to add this user to the organization. Now everything's I can it's a very simple task. I'll update it right away, but apart from it, the whole application is completed. And thank you very much. Yes, thank you very much. I'll This is my project for the task management system, and I've completed every single step that were mentioned in the task ground. Okay, it's not actually showing here. Yeah. And thank you very much.